So the title of our story now, what's that sound? The genre of the story, realistic fiction. What's the meaning of realistic fiction? It's a made-up story, but it has characters and events that could be happen in the real life. Okay, so let's start to take the high frequency words. Now open your reading book, page number 176. 176 to see the words. I'm going to write it here for you. Reading book, page 176. Okay. So the first word here is nothing. Nothing. If you want to divide it, you can see no and think, but we will not read it nothing, no, it's nothing. Repeat it after me. Nothing. Hello, you can unmute your mics to repeat grade 1.
Nothing.
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 The same story or another story.
Another story, a new story. Set it properly, Ratil. So
No.
this word is nothing. Okay, what?
Nothing.
Nordic
Mute your
animal.
mics, please. Okay, all of you mute your mics. Now raise your fingers and let's start to write the word N O T H I Why can't hear your voice? Complete. After I, N, and G. Thank you, grade 1. So this word is nothing. Now, let's look at the picture and read the sentence together. There is
Nothing.
nothing that
In the
can. Okay, mute your mics again. Thank you. Look at here. There is nothing in that can. There is nothing in that can. The second word here it's thought. Thought. That means thought.
Yeah.
Excellent. O-U-G-H have the long O sound. O. T-H have the th sound. Excellent. Mute your mic, please. Th. O-T. Thought. Thought. Thought is the past of think. I think and I thought.
G is silent. H and Miss H and G is silent.
Thank you. Excellent. O-U-G-H have the long O sound. Th. O. Th. So you will not spell the G and H. Excellent. They are silent. He thought the jet was much too loud. There was a jet there, but he thought its sound is
have a Spanish latte.
too loud.
Teacher,
Very
I
nice.
have a Spanish latte.
Very nice. Okay, drink it, but listen, please. Sit properly, Amna. Sharif, you can turn on your cam.
Miss, can I drink water?
Drink. I will mute your mics, grade 1. Okay. So let's write the letters of the word T. Raise your fingers. Raise your fingers on the air and write with me. Thank you, Khalid. Yusuf, Omar. Good. T. H O U G H T. So repeat it with me. Thought. All of you, yes, Amna. Thought. This word is very easy word. Color. Color. What's this color? It's orange. What's this color? It's blue. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. So let's write the word color together. C O L O R. Color. Now I will unmute your mics to read the word. Read the word.
Color.
Color. Excellent. And what's this word?
Color.
Color.
Until I have Spanish latte.
What's this word together? Thought. Thought. Nothing.
Nothing.
Wonderful.
Nothing.
Thank you. Excellent. So let's repeat. Nothing. Thought. Color. The bird is a bright color. The bird is a bright color. Instead, for example, look at here. I try to whisper instead of shouting. I try to whisper instead of shouting. Instead means to do something instead of something else. For example, he or she whisper instead of shouting. We can write instead of play. We can study instead of playing, for example. Okay, so here this word is instead. Instead. When we do something instead of something else, we're going to say instead. Like I try to whisper instead of shouting. Let's write the letters. Raise your fingers. I, big letters, write very big letters. N, S, T, E, A, and T. Instead, stop dancing, Abdullah. Super fairly, Abdullah. Instead. Okay. This is the easiest word. This word is oh, ha, oh. This word is oh. O and H, oh. Like oh. Our marching band has a gate sound. Read this word together. Unmute.
All.
Miss, I can go bathroom.
Go. So this is the easiest word
Miss, I can go
ever.
bathroom.
Go. This word
Miss, I
is
want to go
oh, like
bathroom.
oh. She wants to go to bathroom. Go. Like
Can I?
oh. Yes, of course. Go. Who said all the time I have Spanish latte? Who's saying that all the time? Miral, very nice. Oh, Miral, she has a Spanish latte. Very nice. Oh, our marching band has a great sound. This word is early. Did you wake up early today? I woke up very late. I woke up early in the morning, but I took a nap. And I woke up very late after the nap. So this word is early. Early. Yes, Asi, read the word. Yes, Asil.
E R.
No. E and A here, they have the A sound because we have R also after them. E-A-R. Air.
Early.
Early. Excellent. Did you wake up early today?
No.
No? Okay. Thank you, Asil. Omar bin Miral. Omar? Who's Lulu? Write your name, Lulu. Read the word, Omar.
Early.
Early. Thank you, Omar. Let's write the letters together. E. Raise your fingers. E. A. R. L. And Y. So this word is early. Lulu, write your name. Number 0 is Amna. Amna, turn on your cam. Okay. Here, early morning can be very quiet. You feel that before? The early morning can be very quiet. Suddenly, what's the meaning of suddenly? Abdullah, sit properly and look at the screen, Abdullah. Suddenly, if something happens, suddenly it happens quickly. That's the meaning of this word in your copy box or in a sticky note in your reading box. So write it quickly, grade 1. Suddenly, if something happens, suddenly it happens quickly. Amna, animate your mic, Amna.
Yes, teacher.
Read the word.
P.
No, it's S. The first letter S. Why did you say B?
S.
S. Okay, what's the sound of S? Sa.
Sa.
Okay.
Sa. Da.
Sa. A. D. Suddenly. Suddenly.
Suddenly.
Okay, what's the meaning of suddenly? If something happens suddenly. Yes, Amna. If something happens suddenly, it happens.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, what's the meaning? Tell me, what's the meaning of suddenly? If something happens suddenly, it happens quickly.
Suddenly.
It happens suddenly. Repeat, I'm telling you the meaning. If something happens suddenly, it happens quickly. Did you write it? What is your reading book, Amna? Show me your reading book. Show me your reading book.
I don't take it.
Why? Okay, sit properly, please, Amna. Thank you, Amna. Excellent, Khalid. Excellent, Abdullah. Wonderful. You have a strawberry sticky note. Very beautiful. Excellent, Rina. Excellent, Rina, but I want you to write it in page number 177. Yes, excellent, Omar. Wonderful, Omar. What about the rest? Who's Lulu? Write your name, Lulu. Unmute your mic, Lulu. Let's see who's Lulu. Azman, Sharif. Are you here, Sharif? Unmute your mic or turn on your cam. Excellent, Rina. Excellent, Asil. Excellent, Mirar.
What do you
Okay.
want, teacher? Yes.
I want to know who's Lulu. Why you didn't turn on your cam, Eileen?
I didn't turn on my cam because I was moving to another room because my mom told me.
No problem. It's okay. Okay. So suddenly, if something happens, suddenly it happens quickly. Okay, like, look at here. The sky suddenly lit up brightly. That means that happened quickly. The sky suddenly lit up brightly. Here we have another word, scrambled. Scrambled, what's the meaning of scrambled? Scrambled means quick, climb, or walk. Like the meaning of scrambled. If you have a sticky note, put a sticky note. If you don't have, write the meaning on the book without a sticky note. Scrambled means quick, climb, or walk. Scrambled means quick, climb, not climb, no. The B is silent here. You can put a small extra no. Scrambled means quick, climb, or walk. That's the meaning of scrambled. So scrambled means quick, climb, or walk. Have you finished? Yes, Yazan, read the word Yazan. Unmute your mic, Yazan. Scrambled, Yazan, again, scrambled.
What?
Read the word Yazan. Scrambled.
What of temple? I don't think.
Yazan, try to read it. Okay, he went. Scrambled. Okay, Hisham. Read the word Hisham. Unmute your mic. Hisham.
Yes, miss.
Read the word
I remember.
scrambled. Scrambled.
Scramble.
Scramble means quick, climb, or walk. Thank you. Look at here. Goats scrambled up the rocks. Goats scrambled up the rocks. Now let's revise the words again. Let's revise them together. The first word here is color. Color. The second word, early. Instead, thought, scrambled, suddenly. Sharif, unmute your mic to read the words. Sharif. Sharif. Okay, Sharif. Sharif. Unmute your mic to read the words. Okay, they didn't respond. Omar Hijazi, unmute your mic to read the words.
I'm here.
Okay, read what's the first word?
Okay. Color. This bird is a bright color.
Excellent. Who did that? Sharif? Sharif or Omar? Okay, that's me, Omar. Okay, excellent, Omar. Khalid, then Ratil. Unmute your mic, Khalid. Read the second word.
Early.
Excellent. Read the sentence.
Early morning can be very quiet.
Excellent, Khalid. Thank you. Yusuf, unmute your mic. I said Khalid, then Ratil, right? Okay, Ratil, then Yusuf.
Instead,
Okay, Yusuf, then Ratil. Okay, yes, Yusuf. Instead.
Yes, I try to whisper instead of shouting.
Excellent, wonderful, Yusuf. Yes, Ratil, your turn. The third word, Ratil. The fourth word, sorry. Okay, the fourth word.
Nothing.
Excellent.
There is nothing in the can.
Wonderful, excellent, Ratil. Nice. Unmute your mic. Nice. Okay, I will put a star for you, Ratil. Wait. Excellent, Ratil. Yes, nice. Unmute your mic, nice.
Yeah.
Read the word
Yes,
and the
miss.
sentence. The fifth word here. No. The fifth word. Oh or oh. Okay. The sentence.
In the sentence.
Oh, here it's like wow. Oh, our marching.
Marching. Oh, our marching barn had a great sound.
Excellent, thank you. Lara, unmute your mic, Lara.
Yeah.
Read the word and the sentence, Lara.
What?
Here.
I got the win with this.
177, the first word. Yes, Lara. Thought. Excellent. He
thought the jet was
much
too loud.
too loud. He thought the jet was much too loud. Excellent, Lara. scrambled. Goats scrambled up the rocks. Let's see, I forgot to choose someone to read. Sharif, are you here? Sharif, unmute your mic. Okay, Judy. Unmute your mic, Judy.
Yes, teacher.
Read the word, Judy.
Color.
No, not the first word. No. Page number 177, this word. Yes, Judy. Scrambled.
Scramble.
Mm-hmm.
Cold.
Got.
Cold. Scramble up the rock.
Excellent. Got. Scramble up the rocks. Scrambles means to walk or climb quickly. Thank you, Judy. The last word for Battal. Unmute your mic, Battal. Battal, unmute your mic.
Scramble up the rock.
Battal, no, not scramble. After scramble. I think there is a connection problem, right? Okay, suddenly the sky lit up brightly. Suddenly the sky suddenly lit up brightly. Suddenly means if something happens suddenly, that means it happens quickly. Now let's talk about suffixes. Can you hear me, grade 1? Okay. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, move your head. Can you hear me? Okay, that's good. Thank you. Okay, now please concentrate. Now we're going to talk about suffixes. I think we talked about them before. We took the prefixes before. Do you remember? We have two things, prefixes and suffixes. Look at here, prefixes and suffixes. Our lesson today is about suffixes. But let's revise the prefixes in the beginning. The prefixes are a group of letters. We added them to the beginning of the word. Why? To change the meaning of the word. For example, like reread, like unhappy, like disagree. If we look at those words or these words, we're going to find a suffix, a prefix, before the word. Read, that means read again. Unhappy, that means not happy. Disagree, that means the opposite of agree or not agree. So those are suffixes. The suffixes are word parts or some letters or a group of letters. We added them to the beginning of the word to change the meaning of the word. But the suffixes, we added them to the end of the word. Like what? Look at here. If we say quickly, if we say carefully, if we say disappointment, for example, or if we say quickly, carefully, hopeful, if we say homeless, all of those here are suffixes. So the suffixes are, they are not suffixes, they are words with suffixes. Look at here. Quickly, li is a suffix. Carefully, Full and here we had two suffixes. Full is a suffix and ly is another suffix. Hopeful, full is a suffix. Homeless, less is a suffix. So the suffixes are word parts or a group of letters. We added them to the end of the word and they change the meaning of the word. Look at here. Full of means full of something, like painful, that means full of pain. Less means without, like thoughtful, full of thought. Less like painless, that means without pain. Homeless, without home. Do you know the homeless people? They don't have homes, so we say homeless. So the suffix added to the end of the word to make a new word. Look at here. Careful and careless. Wait. Careful and careless. Careful, full of care. Careless, don't be so careless. That means without care. Careful, be careful, but don't be careless. Harmful, full of harm. Smoking is harmful to your health. Harmless. Earwigs, your earwigs are harmless to human. Painful, full of pain. Painless, without pain. So look at here. We have here two suffixes. They are full and less. Full means full of something. Less, that means without. Okay, let's take more examples.